Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Hawkesbury, local and long distance movers near me. Is it time to hire a cheap Hawkesbury moving company for your local or long distance move? 3 Movers offers plenty of options to make your move easier. When you hire professional movers, you will have far less to worry about. Our team can help you move, whether you're moving your home, your business, your furniture, your equipment, or anything else. It's time to relocate, but you want to make it as easy as possible. We offer the following long distance moving options: packing services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. Make relocating easier with our long distance moving services. Our team will make sure your move is easier and less stressful. Whether you're moving 100 miles away or 1,000 miles, we can help. When you're ready to handle a local move, you might consider hiring a Canada moving company. This is a smart move if you want to make your local move simple. With professionals, you don't have to worry about all the hard work. 3 Movers offers the local moving services you need for your upcoming move. We know how to make it simple for your needs. Our team will provide you with the fastest and most efficient service for your move. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Hawkesbury moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.